All right, guys, this is that McCormick X6.55. Gonna step up into the cab here. As you see, you got your little buddy seat, son, daughter, grandchild. Nice place for them to sit. Nice McCormick seat. You got your 3 hydraulic controls conveniently located, your 3-point controls, your 4-wheel drive, all your adjustments you need. So you've got your 4 ranges, got a high-low, and then this is your shuttle shift up here. Got a joystick loader control, push button for your grapple forks. Again, guys, really nice tractor. I told these guys just to rinse it off a little bit and vacuum it out so that way you guys can see what she kind of looks like on her day-to-day work life. I didn't want to hide anything by waxing things. You're getting this tractor exactly how you see it. Nothing's tried to be hiding here. This is a very nice tractor. Again, nice size horsepower. Next video, we're going to go ahead and just wake the beast up for you.